272 on Carnival Horizon. And it does not come automatically with this guy unless you're married to him. And then it comes with this guy because he helps pay for it, right?
I guess.
Something I wanted to show you guys about Horizon that's pretty cool is that the cards actually just scan, so it's like a signal that they have. It's just a swipe and go, so that's pretty cool. Like that. Yeehaw! So here we are. It's an interior Lido room. And let me just see here. We got a closet.
Yeah, we'll go ahead and shut the door.
Yeah. All right. You good?
Going, yeah.
All right. So we have 2 closets. I already put some suitcases in there, but one is full-length closet here. One thing I did not expect in our room is an abundance of hangers. They have a huge amount of hangers in here. So many hangers. I've never had a room that has so many hangers before. And then there's going to be a closet with the drawers and the shelves. Nice. So just 2 closets in this one. And then you come over here. Nice little desk area. This is going to be our home. It's right near the desk. They have 2 outlets, but then they also have USB ports, so that's a huge improvement. Yay! And then it has the bed with the lampstand. I'm glad it's made up into a king bed. And then another lampstand. And a pretty nice little picture. And then coming around, it's going to be another area. So this is going to be some more shelving. A nice large TV. And this is the refrigerator. Nice. Okay, so
And then the bathroom.
that's that. And then your bathroom's going to be your standard bathroom. So light switch on the outside. And your standard Carnival bathroom. So there's the toilet, the shower. Can't wait for the water pressure of the shower. And hello! And the nice shelves here. I think we have an outlet right here in the bathroom. Yep. There's an outlet for shaving. A 2-way mirror. So your mirror close and far. Awesome. And then you have the sink, the regular area under the sink, the garbage Kleenex, and then 3 more shelves. And that's our room. Home sweet home for 8 days. Oh, cannot wait. Bye. So this is our room. We use our hooks to hook, we just use magnetic hooks to hang sweatshirts and swimsuits. Here's my man. And we decorated our own room, so we have, I made up this little hanging banner thing. Yeah. Oh, I have my hat hanging up. I have this organizer here. So just, that hangs from a magnetic hook from the ceiling, and it gets my crochet stuff there. We have this, shoe rack that has been super helpful. It fits really well on the outside of the closet. It would not fit on the outside of the bathroom door because the bathroom door. Yeah, or the inside. Yeah, it doesn't fit. The bathroom door doesn't fit because the door doesn't shut. But here it does not injure. It doesn't injure the top of the closet, and it just hangs there. And it has been super helpful. Just with whatever, extra pockets, extra stuff. I really don't even need all the storage containers that I have. Here's another hook, a bunch of hooks that we have on the wall. So little door decorations. I have these stuck on with easy removal sticky stuff. It's not tape, It's little sticky strips, kind of like command strips. But yeah, then and I have our decorations outside the door. So anyway, this is our room. Our room decorations, kind of after we've lived in it a little while. And here's our door decorations. So I have our door with our lovebirds, and I got a lighthouse, some hearts, Nancy and Anthony, and there's Anthony. Hello! All right,